So I knew I was cut out to be a problem solver the moment I sat down at that table with that jigsaw puzzle. It said 2 to 4 years. I solved that thing in less than a week. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Mike, living with 3M Auto Vlogging. That's Big Zeus in the background. That is a 2018 Ford Indoraptor. And regardless, it is an F150, okay? And today's video topic is going to be about protecting your property. Protecting your property is a broad topic. You know, you've got security systems, you got pew-pews, you got lots of things to deter theft. But the video for today, I'm talking about these tail lights right here on the F-150. They're a super hot commodity, and thieves will steal your tail lights. You think I'm kidding? That's right, those factory tail lights, super expensive, and they go for a lot being resold. They will actually steal these off of your truck. I'm telling you, you think, well, I got my tailgate locked, I got a cover on the back. Doesn't matter, they will get them. I just got the factory ones. They're super expensive. Some people got more motos, and that's crazy expensive. You don't want to just come out in the driveway first thing after your coffee in the morning and find 2 big gaping holes right here, do you? I mean, do you? So I've been searching for something to sort of deter thieves or secure my taillights. And I reached out to a company found on Amazon. All right, so here we go, guys. This is what you need. It's called the Light Keeper. Right there, that's exactly what you need. Just showing you the tool you'll need is a socket, probably a 1/4 inch socket with an 8mm to take the factory bolts out. All right, right there, showing you what I paid. 25 bucks, guys. This is a simple install, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. Good thing is you do not have to remove the tail light, so you don't have to fight with it, pull it off there, anything. Just remove the 2 8mm bolts holding it on. So now that you've got them out, we want to put these in. All right, so it's going to come with 4 washers. It's going to come with 4 of these security screws. And by security screws, I mean they have a little nipple inside there where you cannot just get a basic Phillips or any type of regular tool out of the toolbox and remove these. All right, so inside the kit, they send you a special bit. Okay, that is a Phillips with a special hole right in the middle that will fit these. Now, I'm not saying the thieves aren't smart enough to go buy this kit and do this. It just makes it tougher for them to get your lights. You don't want to make it easy for them, guys. We're going to make it as tough as we can. So when they access this tailgate, they get down in here, they're going to be like, oh, crap. We ain't got time for all this. Move on to something else. So just protect the investment as best you can. Just like with the factory ones, you don't want to over torque that because it will pop. This is just plastic. So now we're going to do the bottom one. And guys, this is not hard to do for the peace of mind that you will get. No guarantees though. Just make it tough for them. All right, let's see what we've got here. 8mm factory bolts that they can remove in seconds versus the security screws that they will have to really concentrate on or come prepared to remove those. This ratchet's pretty neat. It's got a bendable head. So I'll put links in the description for everything I use, guys. Be sure to check the links below. Again, don't over tighten that. Just get it snug. It's not going anywhere. I'll guarantee you that. If you're ever in an accident and the body shop works on your truck and they got to take these out, they will be calling you if you don't have your chuck key, the special key right here. I usually would recommend keeping it in the glove box or the center console of your F-150. Keep it near these tail lights because if you have a bulb blowout, something like that, you got to get in here to get to the bulb. And if you've got this in your toolbox, chances are you're going to lose it amongst all those other bits that you've got in there. In fact, what I recommend doing, guys, is the little Ziploc baggie they give you, a light keeper. I would just put your factory 8mm bolts in there and the specialty tool, just like that. All right. Get right here, toss them in there with my lug nut chuck, and they'll be right there. So if this video helped y'all out, y'all really need to check this video out. And if that video helped y'all out, you need to check this one out. Hey, just head on over to the channel page, check out all my videos. I've got over 250 videos on how to mod your truck, take care of your truck, protect your truck. Hey, just check them out. You won't be sorry. I'll catch you on the next video. Later now.